Toronjos House, a serene vacation residence designed by the acclaimed Mexican studio PPAA, completed in 2024 and spanning 312 square meters. This project embodies a thoughtful response to both landscape and climate, inviting visitors into a quiet dialogue between architecture and nature. Set amidst the lush natural context of Valle de Bravo, the design of Toronjos House begins with a clear intention: to minimize its physical and environmental footprint. From the outset, the architects prioritized sustainable strategies that allow the building to sit gently within its site, rather than imposing upon it. The spatial organization unfolds on a single level, articulated through a sequence of staggered walls and generous openings that surround the perimeter. These design moves provide both shelter and openness, allowing natural light, cross-ventilation, and uninterrupted views to permeate every corner of the home. More than a structure, Toronjos House operates as a sanctuary, a place that encourages contemplation, rest, and a heightened awareness of the environment. Large living spaces connect seamlessly to the outdoors, while strategically positioned hammock areas invite moments of pause and reflection, reinforcing the connection between inhabitant and landscape. A central feature of the site is the adjacent lake, which does more than frame scenic views. It functions ecologically by capturing rainwater and supporting local habitat regeneration, becoming an integral part of the project's sustainable narrative. The material palette further underscores the project's commitment to sustainability. Locally produced adobe and exposed wooden beams lend warmth and tactile richness, while handcrafted adobe floors and natural earth finishes harmonize visually with the surrounding terrain. Labor sourced from the region further anchors the house in its cultural and environmental context. In essence, Toronjos House does not seek to dominate its setting. Instead, it dissolves into the vegetation, water, and earth that envelop it. Through a quiet architectural presence, this residence offers a profound model for living with humility, balance, and respect for the natural world.